One of my favorite trips in the world was to Spain. I spent 2 weeks working my way down from the north to the south. I loved it so much that my plan is to buy a vineyard and retire in Spain. From the markets, the food, the music, and the culture, it was so memorable and it left an imprint on my soul. And I loved how generous they were with le beurre. But the dish that stood out the most was this garlic shrimp, or Gambas Al Ajillo. They serve it in a sizzling hot cazuela, and it's so good. So today, I'm bringing a piece of Espana to you. Enjoy. We're starting with my favorite part of the dish, the garlic. Thinly slice your 8 cloves of garlic like so. Chop 1 cup of parsley and set aside. Even the cutting board can't help but dance to this song. I'm using 2 dried red chili peppers, but only chopping 1 and leaving the other whole. Pat your 1 pound of shrimp dry and season with a teaspoon of coarse salt. You want to use a good extra virgin olive oil, preferably from Spain. I'm using Graza, which you can find in most supermarkets. Let's start with half a cup of your olive oil. Look how beautiful that color is. Very different from your blended olive oils. Add in your garlic and let it saute until they start to crisp a bit. Now let's add in our shrimp. It literally already smells so good and I cannot wait to eat this. I'm using a smoked paprika from Spain that Trader Joe's carries. Super convenient. Add in your tablespoon of smoked paprika and your red chili pepper. Now add in your 1/4 cup of dry white wine and flip the shrimp until pink, ensuring not to overcook. They only need a few minutes to cook. Top with your chopped parsley and the juice of half of your lemon. Add in your whole chili pepper and you're ready to serve. I like to serve mine with a warm French loaf. Soaking up that sauce with warm bread is literally my favorite thing. I just served mine in a cazuela, but the traditional route is to actually cook it in the cazuela and bring it out sizzling hot, so that's an option as well. I hope you enjoy it, friends.